Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll guide you through activating Face ID for secure and quick logins in the Nequi app. First, ensure you have the latest version of the Nequi app installed from the App Store. Also, make sure Face ID is set up for your iPhone in Settings, Face ID and Passcode. Next, open the Nequi app. If you're already logged in, you may need to log out and log back in using your PIN or password to access the security settings. Then, after logging in, tap on your profile icon, usually in the top left or right corner. Go to Settings or Configuration and look for Security or Seguridad. After that, you should find an option for Face ID or Login con Face ID. Toggle this switch on. The app will prompt you to authenticate with your face to confirm the activation. From now on, whenever you open the Nequi app, it will use Face ID to log you in instantly, combining top-tier security with ultimate convenience. If this guide made your Nequi access smoother, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.